Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hello. My name's Nadreen K. I upload every so often, but generally try to aim towards like one new video a week, which generally falls within the categories of fashion, lifestyle and marketing content. So please do subscribe. I am trying to grow my channel and really trying to get loads more of you on board and following along my journey. Today's video is no different. I have been away for a little while, but I have been brainstorming up loads of new content ideas, and today's video is a result of that. So I'm going to be taking you through my very minimalist luxury collection, showing you handbags, shoes, as well as things on my wish list and why I choose to have such a minimal collection. So if you like the sound of that and you want to see what bags, shoes, clothes I've got on the horizon as far as building my luxury collection, then please keep watching. So I'm gonna start with shoes, because there's only one of those items. So the only pair of luxury or designer shoes that I have are these Stuart Weitzman Highland boots. I am not a huge, I guess I'm not a shoe person, I'm not a shoe girl, I'm definitely more a handbag girl. And when I thought about the types of shoes that I like to wear most often and that I think like really up my outfits, it's definitely thigh-high boots. I first came across these on Lydia Elise Millen's channel and I fell in love with them. They are a perfect fit for my wardrobe because I wear a lot of black or a lot of darker coloured denim or trousers or skirts a lot of the time, and these just go with everything: jeans, skirts, skinny jeans. So yeah, I mostly wear jeans, and I haven't been getting the use out of them these days because it's been really sunny, and when it's not been sunny it's been raining a lot like it is today, and also on occasions where it's not sunny and it's not raining I've been wearing like flared jeans quite a bit, so they haven't quite gotten the wear, but as you can see they are very well loved, particularly up top here where I pull them on. I would hands down say that this is a must have if you are a thigh-high boots wearer. There's loads of like dupes and like affordable versions on the high street, but you can always tell that these are slightly more, that a lot of care has been taken with these in terms of like the manufacturing and how they've been made. So great craftsmanship, super comfortable as well, depending on how much walking you're doing, but I can be out and about in these for a good few hours without my feet kind of super hurting. But if you're going to be doing loads of walking like round a shopping centre for about 5 hours, maybe would recommend that you have a pair of shoes to change into it in the car. But they are super stylish, look amazing on, and I love them. I will link some options down below if you guys are interested, and yeah, these are my shoes. So then we can get into handbags. So one that I've had the longest is less of a handbag and more of a clutch, and it's this YSL or Saint Laurent croc print envelope style clutch. So this actually came in a handbag that I had, which was a men's sac de jour. I sold the handbag, but I kept the clutch because I just felt like I could get loads of use out of this. It's super helpful for you know what, give me 2 seconds. And I just had a thought that my laptop actually fits in this. So if you wanted a size reference, it fits my MacBook Air, and it's a 13.3 inch display. So that actually fits quite nicely in here. And can you believe I was going to go and buy a laptop pouch? The only issue is I can't actually get it in, but I can see that it would fit because the zips are so wide on this. So yeah, I've had this for, probably had this since like 2015, 2016, so it's been around with me for a few years, and I haven't used it much because I know it's quite big, but it would make a great document wallet, or you know, if you just wanted something light and lightweight to like carry your stuff or like papers or things to work in, then it works quite well. Leather's really nice, really soft, really molds to whatever the contents are, and I super love it. Next item, which is very much an everyday use item, is my work bag, which is the Louis Vuitton Neverfull handbag in the MM size, which is the medium size, and the Damier Ebene canvas with the red interior. So I've just got a bag organizer in mine, which I got from Zamoni. So I will link a similar one down below. I will also link the handbag down below, just in case you guys are looking at it. This is a recent purchase. I actually have an unboxing here on my channel, which I will also pop on the iCard for you guys. But I couldn't fault this bag. I use it every day. I actually toyed between this print and the unprint, the black. It's like a black canvas with the imprinted like flowery. I'll just put a picture there. So I was looking at that as my everyday work bag, but this is just so distinct, and you know, if you're going to spend a lot of money on something, you kind of want it to be recognized enough. For me personally, and in that very understated way, and I feel like the Damier Ebene print is a lovely way to translate the Louis Vuitton branding. So really like that. I use it every single day for work, and it fits a decent amount in it. My laptop that I just showed you guys fits in there quite nicely. Loads of stuff. You know me. If you know me, you know I overload my bags. So there's that. So I will link similar versions down below for you guys. Otherwise, I would highly recommend this handbag. The final item in my current collection is also a new addition. It is my Chanel classic flap in the lambskin leather in black with the gold hardware. Holy grail purchase for me. I'm not going to gush too much about it. I have a whole video dedicated to that as well as an unboxing over on my Instagram. But this is fast becoming, so I've just got like paper in it to keep the shape. Fast becoming one of my favourite like going out, like dinner bags, so, or like fancy date night bags. So I have no regrets apart from the price tag that's associated with this bad boy. So I won't ever be selling this unless I'm just not getting the use out of it, but for now she is being very much loved. Will I get some more Chanel in my collection? I don't know, because it's expensive, but I would like a cream cocoa handle. I do have my eye on the cream cocoa handle for like weddings and stuff. We'll see. Things in my wish list are Cartier love bracelet, which I mentioned in my luxury wish list video, so that's kind of like next on my hit list. Possibly a Rolex. At the moment I've got this like really cool dupe from Amazon. It's this watch by Bouret, a brand on Amazon. A super good dupe for the Rolex Datejust 30, which is the one I was looking at. But when I custom made the one I wanted, it came up to about £8,000. I said, you know what, not just yet. So yeah, Cartier love bracelet is next on my list. I don't know if you can count perfumes or fragrances in your luxury collection, but I've also recently added the YSL Libre perfume to my collection, and possibly also looking at either the Louis Vuitton or Fendi gold hoop earrings. But yeah, for now I think that's all I'm looking to add. Possibly as far as shoes go, I will maybe look at the Gianvito Rossi heels with the black and plexi sides, or some Louboutins, just because. But yeah, that's kind of my collection, what will possibly be coming into my collection moving forward. And I wanted to talk a little bit more about like minimalism as far as luxury is concerned. So there's actually a channel on here on YouTube, a lady called I think her channel is called Colourful Noir. I think I'll link it down below. But she talks a lot about minimalism in luxury and in the luxury community, and as far as her collection's concerned. I feel like my collection is always going to be minimal because I always swap things in and out. So I will rarely have more than one everyday handbag, evening handbag, fancy watch, fancy pair of shoes. I generally tend to just, I can only wear so many things, and so if I'm not getting the wear out of something like on a regular basis at least once a week, it's not going to stay in my collection. So I do sell a lot of stuff, and I've had most of my like coveted handbags I've like had in for a bit and sold. So like I had the Givenchy Antigona, I had the YSL Sac de Jour in the croc print, I had a Gucci belt at one point, I had a Longchamp Le Pliage tote. Like I've had loads of like everyday handbags, and like swap them in and out based on what I like and based on what I think I'm going to use the most. And I feel like I've got my collection to a point where these are the pieces that I'm going to be using on a regular sort of day-to-day basis, and anything that comes in will just fill a category slot that's currently empty, or that I'm currently, you know, playing with like high street or like affordable options. I do it that way because of, one, the cost. I don't have like a huge amount of disposable income that I would want to put into building a super huge handbag collection, lovely as that would be. My money is very much geared towards investments, saving for the future, and, you know, just securing my position. And also I'm a minimalist by nature anyway. I very much don't like having a lot of things. I don't like having a lot of clothes, stuff. Like, I don't want to call it clutter because these are like nice things, but like I don't like overloading my wardrobes with all these things that I'm not wearing. Like I'm very much the Marie Kondo approach. So if it doesn't spark joy and if I'm not using it loads, it's gotta go. So yeah, that's kind of the reasons for why my collection is so minimal, and I think it will probably stay that way unless I come into a millions, in which case, you know, gotta do something with those. So yeah, it'd be interesting to open up a conversation about minimalism in luxury. Does it have a place? Is there a certain type of approach that you would take if you were looking at having a minimalist approach to your luxury handbag or shoe or accessories collection? Do you think that people should just buy what they want and not really think twice about it? Or are you kind of in a number of camps and you think it could be a combination of all the above? Which is kind of where I feel like I sit. Buy what you love, spend your money on things that make you happy, and yeah, life is short. So yeah, that's kind of gone down a philosophical route, but thank you so much for watching today's video. If you want to see me talk about or review any other designer or luxury brands, let me know. I can do a video on them. I'm not going to go out and buy a luxury handbag just for the sake of it, although I do have the Fendi Peekaboo on my wish list. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100k subscribers. Obviously I need to hit the 50k milestone first, so let's get me there. Share this channel with a friend. Come follow me on Instagram. I am at NadrineK across Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat and Facebook. Well, maybe not Facebook because I don't do that anymore. But yeah, come follow me over there. I'm a lot more active. I also have a home account on Instagram because I am documenting my home buying journey, which there will be more updates on in an upcoming vlog that I am compiling at the moment. What else? Frequently asked questions will be below. My hair is A-list lace hair. It's the Virgin Brazilian straight. My jewellery will also be linked down below, but wishbone necklace, link chain, bracelets, watch will all be linked down below. All apart from the watch are from Umilele Jewels. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye.